This is baby Ruth. Sit. She's only 4 months old. She just came in today. However, she knows some commands. You left your cookie there, baby girl. You left your cookie. Sit. Show me. Sit. What a sweetie. Sit. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. What a cute little munchkin. Where are you going? Where are you going, sweetness? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, my goodness. Uh-oh, how are you going to get it? What you going to do, sweetie? See, you're so tiny. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty.